Okabe. 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 Are you enjoying your bone? Pascal wants you to come out. Pascal wants you to come out and play with her. Okie. Okie. Aw, what happened, Pascal? What happened? Aww. Are you hiding? Are you hiding, Pascal? Okabe says you're not coming in here. I have got my bone and you're not coming in here. Look at her laying on her back. Come on out, Okabe. I want that bone. Okabe. There's fun in there in that basket. Yeah. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Pascal just got your bone. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. She got your bone. Uh-oh. Don't that just make you mad? Don't that just make you mad? Yep. She's gonna go hide it now. Oh, she learned your trick. Maybe she's gonna go hide that bone. She can go hide her bone. Oh, nope, I'm not gonna hide it there. She just put the bone in there. What? She just learned your trick. Now what are you gonna do, Okabe?
But there's another bone over
I know
there.
they don't want that one. They want the one that they eat, that they're chewing on.
Oh, golly, what are we gonna do with you dogs? Just fighting over bones. What are we gonna do, Okabe?
He says, "Could you get my bone back, please?" His dog took my bone.
Okay, there's a bone laying.
Here's a bone right there, Okabe. But it's got her germs on it. Nope. It tastes good? Is that good? See, she don't want it. He don't want the bone. Look. Look. Look, she's waiting for your help, Steve. She says, "Somebody gonna help me?" Look. Somebody gonna help me? Pascal says, "I don't want that bone either."
Come on.
Look, he's going back in the basket. Look, now she's really going in the basket. She's gonna try to climb in there. You're too big for that, Pascal. Look. Uh-oh. Okabe's got it. Look, Steve, they're like, what do we do now? That's a good bow. That's a good one. Maybe Pascal thinks that there's another bone in there. Oh, there she goes. She's back. Oh. Ooh. Pascal says, "I got a bone." There's a bone over there, Okabe. Go get it. She's going back in the basket.